Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Don't mind the noise in the background, just letting this bad boy heat up because I'm bringing it home tonight, as it is 99% finished. And so is this. Aaron's going to be bringing the Mini home as well. We're just going to move it back towards the Civic. So down here tonight to get Aaron's Mini home, my Civic home, and we're absolutely gutting the garage and getting it empty, full of all the crap. The garage clear out was complete. Aaron's going to finish off the CRX and then we're just going to leave it for a while, give our minds a rest and work on cars in the next few months maybe, just to give ourselves a break from the garage. So we just cleaned everything out. I'm going to bring everything home and that's it for a while. No more open sign on the wall, but I will be back. It's a lovely colour. Time to get some wides on this bad boy. He's rough and ready.
Many hours later.
I'm not saying I love it because it's my car, but oh, I will obviously do something here, or maybe I won't. I'll just leave it, but wait and you see it from the back. Look how wide they are. Looks awesome. Let's do this side. Like how wide it looks at the front. We will be messing with the arches a little bit, foil them down, sand them down and spray them. I don't know whether to do them body colour or the red, but I really like how it fits here on the back bumper around the top. I will be putting the rubber in between the body and the arch itself once they're all cleaned up. But I have to say, it looks cool, and the sporting bumpers still need to go on the car. So it just looks a bit meaner and a bit lower. Looks aggressive. I really like it. What do you think? Do you like it? Will it be a cool little car to win? Awesome. So what's up, guys? Literally just finished work. I'm back home. I went around to Stephen and I picked up a rear caliper rebuild kit, and I'll turn the camera around and show you what I have here. So it's kind of good that I am a Honda parts hoarder, because I found a full set. As you see, this is the rear right and this is the rear left. As you can see, it says L, and my rear left is seized. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rebuild this caliper. It's pretty easy. I'm not going to paint it yet. I was going to sand it down, make it all clean, but what I want to do is take it all apart and put it all back together, just clean it up, general maintenance of it. Take out the piston. I'll actually show you how that comes out now. First of all, I am just going to take this old brake line off. Now that's just loosened off there. Number 14 spanner that is. So I'm just going to put that aside because I do need this nut. Well, I don't really need it. I can use the other one off the other caliper, but I may as well clean this one up and use this one. So I just took out the bleed nipple as well, give it a wipe out, make sure there's no fluid left in it, and now it's time to fight with this piston. So these pistons come out anti-clockwise, so I'm just going to grab pliers because we're not reusing this. I do have a brand new one there, so we're going to get a pliers, or I'll just use this bad boy and twist it out. As you can see, very crusty, has a big lip around the edge there, I can actually feel it, so I'm glad that we're going to replace this. Now I'm just going to turn the caliper over and let it drain out because there is a lot of fluid in here. As you can see, it's probably just going to drip out. I'll show you the inside now. So I'm just going to get a cloth in there and clean it all out. Right, that's all cleaned out there now, ready for the new piston. So we're just going to screw in the new piston and get it done. Very, 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 very important that you put the red rubber grease around the seal and all over the piston before you screw it in. So just before we slide that piston in there, there is a little rubber seal in here that comes with the kit. Remove the old one. As you can see, it's in absolute shit. Brittle, it's cracking when I do this. So luckily we replaced it, and we'll stick some red rubber grease on it, and then we'll grease this bad boy up and we'll slide her in. Now that the caliper is done, we're just going to concentrate on these sliders. They should come out easily like this. If not, you have to give them a good twist. So we're just going to give these a clean off, replace these rubbers with what comes in the kit, and use the grease with the kit for the sliders. Now that's the sliders in, so you want them to be like this. When you push it down, you want it to be springy and loose, because if they're stuck, your caliper, your pad will just be stuck to your disc. So you want them to be nice and springy with a good bit of give in them. So that's them sorted. Let's get them bolted onto the caliper. And there you have it. One caliper fully rebuilt. Everything is brand new shampoo, as you can see. New piston, new seals, and then these bad boys here as well. Nice and smooth. And now, maybe during the week, I'll hopefully have a day off and I can get it bolted onto the car, get the new lines and bleed them up. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. It's very late. I've been at that a while. Wasn't happy. Took it all apart, put it back together again just to make sure that I done it right. And I did do it right. So we'll find out during the week. If it works, we'll get the caliper off the rear of the Civic. It's just seized up. It's not breaking at all. And the sliders were not budging. So I'm going to get that off the car. And I will be rebuilding that one as well, just to have spares. As I do have another rear for the driver side. And I have two fronts. So I will be rebuilding everything just to have spares. I'm also going to be putting EP3 front calipers on the car with bigger discs for track days. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed and following me, guys. There is a good few videos coming up. I am going to be doing a lot of Mondello videos, drone videos, getting out there, showing the cars off, enjoying them on the track before I do eventually sell them. So yeah, I do appreciate if you are subscribed. If not, just click that little button down there. It's really easy. It takes 2 seconds. Give the videos a like, comment on it, let me know what you like, let me know what you don't like. So it's been real, guys. Don't forget, be dedicated, because tricky little tasks like this, you need to be. It's very fiddly rebuilding calipers. It's not easy, but I highly recommend trying it, because if you don't try it, you'll never know how to do it. Don't forget that. Be dedicated, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.